Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a braided wig install from Lockbraids Hair. I'm going to be linking all the information down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that they sent me was this wig. It came pre-packaged. It is already pre-customized and plucked. Super beginner friendly. All you need to do is just customize it by cutting the lace to fit your head shape, and I'm going to be installing this glueless. I'm showing you guys how the inside looks. It is a full lace wig, as well as it has combs in the back and the sides and an adjustable strap, so that way you can adjust the wig to your head size. This is how the hair texture comes straight out of the pack. This is Bohemian knotless braid style in 22 inches. And now I'm just showing you guys how the construction of the wig is on the inside. So as you can see, these are the combs that I described earlier. These are the adjustable bands. And then there's additional combs at the top and the sides just to secure the unit. And then this is how the lace looks without any makeup, fresh out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it's super seamless and it blends into my skin perfectly, and the knots are already pre-bleached. So now I'm just going in and showing you guys the rest of the items that they sent me. They gave me an edge brush, some combs, a hair tie, and a wig cap, as well as a few other goodies. And now I'm just going to go in with that same wig cap that they provided, and I'm going to put this on my head with a little bit of Got2b spray. I'm going to let this sit for about a minute or two, and then I'm also going to put on my foundation just so that way this cap matches and everything looks nice and seamless. This stocking cap is super thin, so that's awesome. And then I'm just doing this method so that way that line that's in the front of the wig cap, that thick tan part of the band, does not show. So I'm starting it a little bit further down because I'm going to cut by my ear tabs, and then I'm just going to make little holes to put my ears inside of. So here I am just spraying and setting everything into place, and now I'm going to cut those holes for my ears. Here I am just cutting off the excess cap, and then once I'm done this, we are ready to install the wig. So I just went in and adjusted the wig to my head size. I do have a 22-inch circumference head, so I'm just going in, making sure that everything fit nice and snug. And then I am going to go in and start to install the wig and then cut the lace around it as well. So again, this is how the wig looks fresh out of the packaging. I want to show you guys how it looked before I go in and customize and add any product to it. As you can see, this wig is pretty beginner friendly, ready to wear. The only thing that you need to do, again, is just part the baby hairs that are in the way here. Make sure you tuck those to the side if you want to use those to style your wig, and then proceed to cut the lace. Now, you want to make sure that you're taking your time when you cut the lace, so be sure to start on one side first and then move to the other. So for example, I'm going to do the right side first. Once I'm done cutting around that side in my ear, then I will move over to the left side. You just want to make sure that you're taking your time whenever you're cutting your lace, because if you cut too far into the lace, especially on a braided wig, you can accidentally cut into the braids, and then that will cause some fraying towards the hairline. So just be sure to clip everything out of the way and take your time on this part. Okay, so I've already done one side here, and I'm just going to cut by my ears. But as you guys can see already, I haven't even put any makeup on the lace, just on my wig cap underneath. And it's already starting to blend seamlessly with my hair. So this lets me know that this is pretty much a wear and go type of unit. If you want to add on a little bit of makeup just to blend with your skin tone on your cap or on the lace, that's fine as well. But just coming straight out of the packaging, this is a lace that will blend with your skin tone. So I was really happy about that. It's brown girl friendly. And here I am just cutting my other ear tab. I do have a small head, so I just had to do a small incision by my ears just to make sure everything sat nice and flush. And then once I'm done this, I am going to go in with some edge control as well as some foam wrap and start to set my baby hairs into place. And all I'm doing here is just cutting that excess lace that's in the back of the wig as well. So here I am, I'm just applying my Nairobi foam wrap. This is a glueless method. I'm just going to be using the foam wrap and that Got2b spray, and that's it. Honestly, you don't have to use the spray if you don't want to, but I wanted to wear this wig for a few extra days, which is why I used both. So I'm just going in, pressing everything down, kind of pre-molding my hairline. I'm going to do this on the left and the right. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take my scarf and tie everything down and then blow dry my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm using that edge brush that they provided as well, and I'm just going in and swooping all of my hair in the front, just moving that baby hair slightly out of the way, combing everything kind of sideways and down, just so that way it makes it a lot easier when I'm trying to mold the hair, and that way it doesn't stick onto the rest of the hairline that I'm trying to lay down with the foam wrap. Again, just double and triple checking everything, making sure to cut off any excess lace that I might have missed. And again, I'm just going in with that edge brush, brushing everything down. I'm going to use this Got2b to hold everything in place. And then, like I said, I'm going to go in with my scarf, make sure that it's folded down. You just want to blow dry this until it's completely dry if you don't have a sit under dryer. If you do have time and you do also have a sit under dryer, you can also do that as well. I would recommend sitting for about 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that that foam wrap, and if you decide to use a spray, that they melt together, and that way you're not pulling it off and making the hair sticky. Alright, so my wig is nice and secured. I'm just making sure to double tie this, and I'm going over top of my ears because I do want this to lay as flat as possible. And now I'm just going in with my blow dryer on a warm setting, and I'm just going to blow dry this until it's completely dry on both sides. Once that's done, which you guys see here, I'm slowly peeling off that wrap just because I did use that foam and that Got2b, and sometimes it can cling onto the hair. Don't worry, I did get a few pieces of Got2b spray on my hairline. However, all you need to do is just go in with a wet cloth with just water and pat it, and you'll remove all of that off your skin. So I did that off camera, disregard. And now I'm just going in and cutting my baby hair because these are super long and I want to go for a more natural, soft and wispy look. So I'm just using an edge control that I had lying around the house. I typically like to do this with a curling iron or foam, but I didn't want to go in and risk doing anything extra to the hair. I really wanted to let it shine. So here I am just going in with that comb part of the brush. I'm just swooping my hair, trying to see what looks nice and natural. I'm going to take my time, do the left and the right side, and then I'll be back in just a few. If you guys have not already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out the links in the description box because I will be linking this wig and all of their information down below, as well as any discount codes. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to finish my baby hair and I'll be back in just a second. So I'm done. This is looking really cute and really good to me. I didn't even set anything in place, and now I'm just taking those clips that they provided out of my hair so that way I can go ahead and play around with styling. I am going to do a half up and half down really quick just to show you how this looks. Then I will turn around and show you guys how it looks in the back, so on and so forth. I flip this to the left, to the right, just making sure that everything lays flawlessly, which it did. And I'm just going to play around with the styling here just to see what I prefer. The good thing about this type of wig, you can wear this completely up if you want to, or you can do like a half up, half down. You can do ponytails. The type of wig that this is going to give you a lot of versatility. However, if you're a beginner or somebody that doesn't want to do glue like myself, you can still get away with doing a half up, half down without worrying about gluing the back down. However, that is an option that I just wanted to mention as well. So now I'm just going in here with some of my makeup. I'm patting that lace just so everything blends a little bit more seamless. And now I'm just going to do my top knot for this half up, half down style. I'm going to show you guys how this looks really quickly. And then I'm going to play around and just put this wig to the test. Sidebar, I posted a snippet of this wig on my Instagram story. So if you guys follow me, check it out on my Instagram as well. I posted that this was a wig install and nobody believed me. They thought it looked so realistic. So I was very happy with that outcome. And then I'm just showing you guys how it looks at the end result. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I will be sure to link all of the video links in the description down below. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check them out and drop a comment down below if you like this style crochet wig. This is a great alternative if you don't have time to sit in the salon all day. You can just pop this on, it's beginner friendly, and then it looks like you have a braided hairstyle. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget to show some love, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this brand out, and I will see you guys later. Bye.